everyone, I'm Mary Jo Cranmore. I'm the host of Pioneer Magazine, your guide to living and working in Western Massachusetts.
It's the people and the service. People always judge a bank by their asset size in dollars, and I would judge a bank by the asset size in people. Not the number of people, but the quality of the people.
Think local banks can't offer what the big boys do? Think again. From your front porch to your local community to your favorite restaurant, it's all about buy local, save local, invest local. If you walk into the offices here at Hampden Bank in Springfield, Mass, you'll see that community spirit here in spades.
Good afternoon, Amy Scribner at Hampden Bank. How can I brighten your day?
Hi, this is Fiona from Hampden Bank. How can I brighten your day?
It's more than a slogan, it's a way of life, a way of business here at Hampden Bank.
It's interesting, I get more compliments, letters of compliment, people that take the time to actually write down their thoughts and appreciation for Grace, the collector. She's helped them with budgeting, she's helped them get their financial house in order, if you will, and just an outstanding person, and I think that's sort of sets the tone of brightening your day, you know, making people's lives financially better than they were. Certainly people that are servicing customers want to make certain that the product support and back of it is AAA, is perfect. And you know, certainly that goes into the folks in operations, it drills right throughout the bank. And you know, those people have to have their priorities correct. And certainly the mantra of brightening your day helps that to happen.
Community is not just a buzzword around here, it's their focus. Tom Burton, president of Hampden Bank, is central to that effort. In fact, his office is right in the middle of it all. There's
very few banks today where the bank president is still in the lobby, and you know, that's this office or this building was designed in late 1940s and really hasn't changed a whole lot since then. We've expanded, but one thing we haven't changed is where the president's office is. It's right on the floor. You get to talk to customers. If customers have an issue, they know I'm accessible, they know they can come and see me, and I'm here all the time. We like to call it the circle of prosperity. The folks bring their money into the bank, they deposit their funds in the local community bank, and they're lent out in the community. It's sort of like, if you recall the movie It's a Wonderful Life, great Christmas classic. And community banking really hasn't changed over all those years. It's basically taking in money, taking in deposits from local people and lending it out to local people for either for their businesses or their homes or any other form of consumer lending.
In terms of the current economy, it's not just the local that matters to most people.
I think most of all is safety and security. They want to make certain that their deposits are safe and secure. And we have the FDIC insurance, as most banks have, but we're also fortunate in Massachusetts. We're a state-chartered Massachusetts bank, and we have the Deposit Insurance Fund, which insures deposits over and above the FDIC limits.
For most local businesses, there are a few things that matter more than their bank. Hampden Bank has made those relationships virtually worry-free with their single-minded focus on what really matters to their customers.
Consistency is critical to customers, particularly business customers. They want to know that their bank is behind them and will always be behind them. In other words, if times get a little difficult as they are today, they want to know that that bank credit line will still be there. That's their lifeblood. If that gets pulled, they might be out of business.
Let's talk a little bit about the current economy and how Hampden Bank figures into the current economy. What are some of the things that you're doing to help the local consumers in Western Massachusetts?
This is a great time to refinance a mortgage. Mortgage rates haven't been this low, I was going to say in my lifetime, but maybe they were back in right after World War II. Home equity loans are great too, because prime rate is so low right now. If you can get a prime-based loan, but you have to keep in mind too, prime goes up and down. Right now it's down, and it can go up again as the economy recovers. I think we'll see prime rise. So you do have to be very careful of the home equity loan. There are fixed rate home equity loans also, and the rates are very low on those. So again, that might be an alternative. But it's good to sit down with with a loan officer at one of the local banks and talk to them about your financial situation. And in many cases, I'm sure they can come up with solutions that will help to really save money and improve people's cash flow.
Now, if you'd like some advice on your own financial life and want a closer look at what Hampden Bank could do for you or your business, just give them a call, 736-1812, or go online to www.hampdenbank.com.